everyone, welcome back. My name is Priyanka and I help you unleash the power of law of attraction and create the life that you want. So in today's video, since we are doing a lot of videos on what is law of attraction and how to make the law of attraction work for you and how to do manifestation techniques and everything. So let me tell you something which is a very common thing that we use in our everyday life and how that is one of the very important factors for law of attraction, and that is words that we use every single day for ourselves, for our manifestation, for everything, the way we are interacting with people, the way we speak about ourselves, the way we speak about others, how that affects or that decides what you bring into your life. Okay, so let me just give you an example. Say for instance, if you have cooked something, or say for instance, if your mother or your mother has cooked something for you which is not a very favorite vegetable of yours, right? And she brings it in front of you. What do you say? Oh my God, I don't like it, right? Or this is not my favorite vegetable. Now, just think for 1 second. What is the feeling that goes inside you while you utter those words that I don't like this? It's not a very good feeling, right? You're not very happy about the fact that she has made something which is not your favorite vegetable. So when you're uttering those words that I don't like it, you are having a kind of not a very good or happy feeling inside you, right? So that is the power of words. Why I'm saying this to you is every single day we use sentences that actually creates feelings within us, right? So say for instance, when your favorite food is made and you're like, oh my God, I love this, and the feeling itself is so happy. The words that you are saying out of that feeling is complete happiness. That is the power of words. So imagine when you are bringing your manifestation in life, okay, when you're bringing it to your reality, the way you speak about your manifestation, the way you feel about your manifestation is actually something which is creating that momentum and which is bringing it into your life. So if you continuously talk about, like, the absence of something in your life, that I do not have enough money, or I do not have my life partner, or I do not have a good job, what are you doing is you're creating more and more lack of that thing in your life, because you're speaking and talking and focusing only on the thing which is lacking in your life right now. So in order to change that, the only thing that you need to do is speak everything in existence. That I am very happy with my life. I am in a very comfort zone. I am working on myself. My manifestation is going to come to me. So speak positive. Because when you speak positive, as I always say, that law of attraction is all about the vibration that you're giving out at that moment. So law of attraction doesn't understand words, okay, that what are you saying, that universe, I do not want this, or universe, I want this. They do not understand the word do and don't. They only respond to your feelings. And when you say that you don't want something, it's not a positive or good feeling that you are giving out. But when you focus only on what you want and you speak only of, I want this, I like this, I love this, this is what it is, this is what I want, I'm getting it all. So you are actually giving out that kind of positive vibrations. And the universe is going to bring back to you similar situations and similar circumstances which are going to have that positive effect on your life. So this is a very quick and very short video that I wanted to make for all of you and tell you that choose your words very carefully, that whenever you're talking about something, your manifestation, realize what are you talking about. Are you talking about anything negative, or are you talking about something positive? Say for instance, if you're trying to get back a specific person, okay, or if you're trying to manifest even a new job in your life, but if you're not very happy with your existing job and you're continuously blaming and complaining about your job, you're actually creating more of those experiences, because you're giving out that kind of a feeling and that kind of a vibration, and the universe is just responding to you with that. So if you want to change something, you have to change the words so that your feelings align with your words, right? And then the manifestations can come into place. So if you're manifesting a relationship or a specific person, and you say that this person had given me so much bad experience, or this person is not talking to me right now, what are you doing? You're actually delivering out that message that it's the absence of it. You are not in that happy zone. So choose your words very carefully. And one more important thing to remember while speaking is how you are speaking about your own self. You know, if you keep saying to yourself, I am not worthy of that, or I don't deserve love, or I don't deserve to be a good, you are already creating that belief within yourself that it is not meant for you. But law of attraction only says that what you believe in is absolutely true for your own self is going to happen to you. So if you keep believing the fact that you are not good enough, then trust me, that is what is going to come to you. And do not blame other external factors that so and so had done something, or this person had said something to me earlier. That is why I have no. It's all excuses. The way you are talking about your own self is actually what is creating your own reality. So start talking about yourself in positive ways. Even if you have done a mistake, say it in a way that I know I've made a mistake and I have learned from that situation, I have learned from that circumstances, and now I'm going to change myself and make myself better so that I don't repeat that in the near future. So very carefully choose the words that you are using every single day, because that's what is actually bringing everything in life for you. Speak good about your own self, speak good about your surroundings, speak good about everything that you have in life and you are grateful for. And you will attract more abundance and more of everything in life. Thank you so much guys for watching me. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Share it with all your friends, family, whoever needs to know, with every single person. Obviously subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I make a video again, you get a notification on that. Alright, have a great day guys. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you all again. Bye-bye.